Hi, friends. It's time for science. I'm so happy to spend this time with you. I hope you're having a good day. So, in science, so far, we have learned that we have five amazing senses that we can use to make observations. We can smell something, we can see things to see what color they are, things like that. We can hear to see if they make sound or anything like that. We might be able to taste it, and then we can use our hands or skin to touch. Okay? And then we've learned that you can take those observations and use science tools like a scale or a ruler or um, a measuring tape, different things like that to learn more about what you are observing, what you are looking at, what you are learning more about. Then we learned about the scientific method and how we start out by deciding what we're going to observe. We use our five senses and science tools to make those observations. We might ask a question, and based on that question, we might make a prediction, which is a really, really, really strong guess. So, for example, if you remember, we did the experiment with M&Ms. So we observed the M&Ms, we saw the colors. Then I had a question. I said, "What happens if you put the M&Ms in the water?" You guys made a prediction, and then a lot of you were able to do that experiment with me to see if your predictions were right. And we call that the scientific method. Well, today we're going to continue that conversation a little more, and I want to go a little more into detail about how you can observe things. So again, we can use our five senses, um, but then we also can classify things, and that means group things. So today we're going to talk about one of my objects that I have. Since it's fall, I love everything pumpkin right now. So I have this pumpkin here. So I'm going to talk about it, and I'm going to see what I can learn about it. So the shape is round. It's orange. It's pretty smooth, but it does have a couple bumps on it. It's a little heavy, but not too heavy. Okay. And it's solid. I can't like drop something through it where it would fall through. It's completely solid. Okay. So that's what I want you to learn about today is properties of matter. That's what we're learning about today. We're learning about all those things that you can look at and see about it. What color is it? Is it light or heavy? What texture? How does it feel? Um, Different things like that. So, what you're going to do today is you are going to look around your house and you are going to find an object. Okay? And I want you to take a picture of that object and then you're going to upload that to Seesaw. And then you're also going to record your voice or you can make a video too holding your object, telling me about your object like I just did. Tell me how it feels. Tell me if it's light or heavy. Tell me what color it is. Is it big or small? All those different characteristics that we can learn about objects. Okay? So that's what I want you to do today. So, my little scientist, now it's your turn. Go find an object at home, and then you can make a video or you can take a picture and record your voice telling me about all the things about your object. Again, how much does, like, is it light or heavy? Is it big or small? What color is it? What shape is it? Different things like that. Okay, so I can't wait to see all your objects and learn more about your objects. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.